Welcome friends to this session on Power BI. My name is Parag Newsarkar. On behalf of Vidyajan Academy or VDAC, I'm conducting this session. In today's session, we will see how we can upload data in Power BI and how we can generate basic dashboard. Purpose of this session is to get familiarized with Power BI user interface. So let's begin. Now, before we begin, let's have a look at the data that we are going to upload. It's always a good practice to get yourself familiarized with the data to help you develop the dashboard quickly. So we are going to use this file, financial data.xls. So this sheet has 17 columns from A to P, as segment, country, product, discount band, units sold, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sale, discount, sales, cost of goods sold, profit, date of transaction, month number, month name, and year. So with looking at this data, we understand that it is a sales data. And if you look at the number of rows here, it has 700 rows in this sheet. So we are going to upload the 700 rows into 17 columns in our Power BI database. So for uploading, we open the Power BI application, and for uploading data from Excel, there are multiple options. So one option is the generic option, is get data in the menu. So if you click on this small arrow there, it will expand this get data menu, and you will see different data sources here. So Power BI supports multiple data sources, including Excel sheets, different databases, different applications, which are listed here. It also supports web pages. So you can upload data into Power BI database directly from web pages by giving link to that page. But Excel being most common, it is also given directly to save some clicks for us. So Excel workbook option is given in the menu. Excel workbook option is also given in the canvas. So right in the middle of the screen on your canvas, you will see option for loading data from Excel. So we click on this option here, and you can browse on your computer and choose the file that you want to upload. So we want to upload data from this file. So you select this file and click on open. It will take a few seconds for Power BI to open the file and read it. So after reading the file, Power BI will display us the screen. So in this screen, it is showing us this file, and it is showing us different tables or sheets contained in that file. So our file has only one data sheet, 01 fin data. But in this data sheet, they are also converted into a table called financials 1. So we will select the sheet here, and the moment you select, it will show you preview of the data from your file. So you can just have a look at this data preview, and then we click on load data. So for this exercise, we will not transform. If you want to do any transformation in your data, you can click on transform data. Another screen will open where you can apply your transformations, and then you can load the data. This exercise will directly upload the data. So we click on load. It takes some time to read the complete data and load it into the Power BI database. Power BI maintains its own internal database, which is hidden from the users. So we do not know exactly, and we do not need to also know how exactly data is stored. Okay, so now it has uploaded the data, and in the data pane, you will see name of the sheet that you have uploaded, 01 fin data. And if you click on this arrow and expand this table, it will show you all the columns in that table. Now, on the left-hand side, if you click on this table view, it will show you all the data in this table. So again, data pane is common here. So if you click on this, it will see list of all the fields. And here in your canvas, you will see all the rows and columns that we had seen in our Excel sheet. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, it shows table 01 fin data 700 rows. That means it has uploaded all the rows. And if you look at these columns, here was the last column in our sheet. So we just do a basic random checking or sanity checking. So see, now our data is uploaded. We will develop our dashboard. So for which we go to the report view again. So if you are not familiar with this Power BI navigation, I'll just quickly go show you what are the different parts on the screen. So on the top, you will see the menu, which is a menu ribbon, which is very common. You must have seen the similar ribbon in any Microsoft tool. So Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, all these tools have a similar menu ribbon of menu options. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see options for different views. So a report view, data view, sorry, table view, model view, DAX view. Okay. And on the right-hand side of your screen, you will see different panes from which you can choose the data and visuals and filters. So there are three panes there: data pane, visualization pane, and filters pane. So you can expand or collapse these panes. So right now we are not using filters. So we'll collapse filters pane and we'll keep visualizations and data panes open. For developing any dashboard using Power BI, it's very simple. You choose the visual that you want to show in your dashboard. So these are different options. Power BI provides a variety of different charts and graphs which you can use. So first option is stacked bar chart. Second is stacked column chart. Third is clustered bar chart, clustered column chart. So when you hover on that image, it shows you which chart we can draw using that button. So let's draw a clustered column chart first. So we just click on this clustered column chart icon here. It will create a template for clustered column chart here. And for selecting fields, for adding fields in this chart, from the data pane, we select the right table and we select the fields which you want to include in our chart. So in this chart, let's draw sum of sales by country, right? So we just select the country field here, and then we select the sales field or sales column. So it will automatically uh, on its own, it will put country on the x-axis and sum of sales on the y-axis. So you can resize the chart that you have drawn. You can either pull x and y both axes together, or you can increase or decrease its length and breadth individually. Right. So let's and you can draw another visual on the same page. So let's draw another visual sum of sales by country and year. So we click now. If we click for drawing next chart, we have to click on the canvas outside this already drawn visual. If you click on this, you will see that it is selected and it is highlighted here. And Now, if you click on any of the buttons here, same visual will be converted to this new visual style. So we do not want to do that. So we'll just press Ctrl Z now, click on the blank canvas, and then we click on, let's say, stacked column chart. So in stacked column chart, it will show us a blank template here. We will select country, sales, and let's say year. Okay, so it has drawn a, so year will put in legend. Okay, so it has drawn a stacked column chart showing sum of sales by country and year. And in the year, it shows in the legend here. So this light blue is year 2023. The dark blue area is year 2024. Okay. This is how we can draw. You can customize it. Suppose, for example, this title of this chart you want to change, you can change it, which we'll do in subsequent exercises when we do customization of our charts. So let's draw one more chart here. Let's click on the canvas, blank canvas here, and sum of cells by country. Let's draw a clustered bar chart. Again, country and let's say gross sales. So sum of gross sales by country. Okay. Now, suppose we want to show month-wise profit. So we again click on this bar chart here. Blank canvas here, and we select, say, clustered column chart, and we select country, cells, and month name. Okay. So this time we are not drawn stacked column charts. We are done two-dimensional or two-level stack clustered column chart. So it is within country, it is showing all the months one by one. So you can increase this width to see the entire chart. So, but right now we'll just show a small, it is small size because we want to draw some more charts here. Let's say now we want to draw a pie chart. So we'll click on the blank canvas, click on the pie chart, and let's say segment. So segment wise profit. So we have field here and segment, right? So it will show us segment wise profit. So one more chart we may draw here. Let's say click on blank canvas, and let's say we want to draw a donut chart showing again, let's say profit year wise. So this way we can draw all the charts in our page and we can customize this. So this is what we had in this session. If you have any questions, we can discuss during our calls. Thank you.